92 divided by 5 using partial quotient. First, let's set up our problem. 5 on the outside, 92 on the inside, and if you need to, write out your 5 times tables. We're also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start in our first step. We're going to divide, starting in our biggest place value. That would be a 9 in our tens place. What's the closest we can get to 9 without going over? That's 5. We skip counted one time to get there, but remember that 1 is in the tens place because we started in the tens place. Then we're going to multiply. 10 times 5 is 50. Then we'll subtract. 92 minus 50 is 42. Then we're going to repeat back to division. We already did the tens place, now we're on to the ones place, but we do have some tens left over that we can't forget about. So let's divide. How many times can we divide 42 into 5? Well, I see 40 is the closest I can get. I skip counted 8 times to get there. That means I can divide 42 into 8 different groups. 8 times 5 is 40. That was our timesing step. That means that next we're on to subtraction. 42 minus 40 is 2. Then let's repeat. Do we have any place values left to be able to repeat? No, we already did our tens place and our ones place. So that means we get to check. Is 2 smaller than 5? Sure is. Let's bring that on up as our remainder. Our answer is by looking at the place values. That would give us 18 with a remainder of 2.